Hello, grade 11 learners. Welcome to another Walmart quiz. Today, we're going to test your understanding of the introduction of patterns and sequences. So here's how it works. I'll give you 10 item multiple choice questions. Each question has four choices A, B, C, and D. So you have 10 seconds to analyze the problem and choose your answer. Write down your answers on a sheet of paper or simply keep track of your score. After the timer ends, the correct answer and a brief explanation will be revealed. So are you ready to challenge yourself and see how will you understand the sequences computation? So let's begin. Good luck and remember, math is everywhere. Welcome to WowMath Quiz. For question number one, which of the following best describe a sequence? A. A collection of unrelated numbers. B. A list of numbers arranged according to a rule. C. A graph of orders pairs. D. A set of random variables. Okay, so the correct answer is a set of random numbers, or that will be number one. It should be B. Okay, sorry, hindi ko na-edit. It should be a list of numbers arranged according to a rule. So again, the correct answer for number one is letter B. Next. For question number two, what is the next term in the sequence 6, 12, 18, 24? A 26, B 28, C 30, D 32. Okay, so the correct answer is letter C, 30. Okay, so nag-a-add lang siya ng 6. 6 plus 6 is 12, plus 6, 18, plus 6, 24, plus 6, 30. Question number 3. What is the rule of the sequence? 4, 8, 16, 32, and blank. A, add 4. B, multiply by 2. C, multiply by 4. D, add 8. So the correct answer is letter B, multiply by 2. So kung kukunin natin yung next term, that will be what? 32 times 2 is 64. Next, question number 4. Which sequence is an example of a finite sequence? A, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. B, 5, 10, 15, 20. C, 1, 2, 4, 8. D, 3, 6, 12, 24. So yung BCD natin may tatlong dots. So ibig sabihin ellipses yan, right? So the correct answer is letter A. So kapag sinabi natin finite sequence, so meron siyang end term. Okay? So kagaya ng B, C, and D, so ibig sabihin nitong 3 dots continuous, no? Yung sequence natin. Kaya ang correct answer is letter A. Next, number 5. What is the next term of the Fibonacci sequence? 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and blank. A, 10, B, 11, C, 12, D, 13. Okay, so the correct answer is letter D, 13. So, ang Fibonacci sequence nakukuha natin kapag inad natin yung huling dalawang number niya. So, like for example, ito kukunin natin. So, add natin ito yung dalawang previous number. 5 plus 8, kaya 13. Next. Okay, so number 6, the answer is, okay, I will read the question. Determine the next term, 100, 900, 190, 80, 70. So letter A, 50, 55, C, 60, D, 65. So makikita naman natin, no, nagdi-decrease siya ng 10. So the next term is 60. Next, for question number 7, which sequence follows the pattern of perfect squares? A 2, 4, 6, 8, B 1, 4, 9, 16, C 3, 6, 9, 12, D 1, 2, 4, 8. Okay, so the correct answer for number 7 is letter B, 1, 4, 9, 16. For question number 8, a student saves 80 pesos during the first week and increases the amount by 15 pesos every week. How much will the student save in the fifth week? Okay, so as you can see, the correct answer is 140. Okay, so that will be the answer, no? So kung sa pangalawang linggo, maging 95 na siya. So kasunod na linggo, mag-add ulit ng 15, and the next week, mag-add ulit ng 15. So for fifth week, that is 140 pesos. Next, question number 9. Which of the following is an infinite sequence? A 10, 20, 30, 40. B 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. C 5, 10, 15, 20. 1, D 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. So makikita na natin ang sagot and that is letter C. Kasi siya lang naman yung may 3 dots. So pag infinite, ibig sabihin continuous, no? Wala siyang end term. Next, number 10. For number 10, what is the next term? A, uh, what is the next term? 2, 5, 10, 17, 26. A, 35, B, 36, C, 37, D, 38. So what is the answer? Letter C. So paano nakukuha? Okay, so paano ko? Ito ay 3, nag-add ka ng 3, nag-add ka ng 5, then 7, o add numbers, no? Plus 7, so after 7, plus 9. Okay, di ba? Plus 7, ito plus 9. Tapos plus 11. So the answer will be 37.